5 seconds to eat, but you can start pulling.
Waiting for day. They didn't answer. Everyone's ready. There we go.
Let's do this.
You guys got
Right now.
this. Just work out your kinks. Like I said, that's why I wanted to do it tonight rather than starting Sunday.
Raw dog it.
Lust.
Don't be a fool. Wrap your tool. Practice.
Beware.
Watch for the beams. Thunder's coming in. Obliterate one. Thunder's coming out.
I got him for the first bird. We're doing 2 here, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Beware.
Ducky, you have the first AMZ.
Beware.
Second one coming in. Get in the pro.
I'm ready.
Beware.
Move those outs. Everybody else stack up.
Beware.
Watch for dodge. Get on the ass of the bus or the side. That's good.
Back to positions.
Thunder's in. Stack on this one. I got him.
Beware.
Were we able to do 2 here or just 1?
Just we got Spirit Link after the first one.
You said 2 or no?
2. Yes, 2.
Okay.
Beware.
Any Alice, this is yours.
Ready to drop it.
Okay.
Beware.
Spirit Links, get into it.
That's 2.
Beware.
Spread.
Beware.
Dodge this.
Positions.
Lay on hand already. Stressed out, Max? You know I'm not stressed about that.
I say
Sunder's
like
coming in.
1%.
I'm second 2. I missed 1.
Ducky, this is your AMZ.
Okay.
Beware.
Beam.
But just do 1 here.
Beware.
Number 1 is coming in.
Use personals here, please.
Beware.
Getting inside.
Beware.
Beam.
Dodge this. Get back to positionings.
Second pots. Everybody should have second pots right now.
Fuck, I'm
40 seconds.
Thunders
I got rival again, we're good.
on you. And then you pump every damage you can before you do this next big things. Get battle res up for both of them. There's no point, tanks are useless at this point, so don't hold them to them.
17 seconds for any else.
So what cooldown do we have for purging
I have
protocol?
divine. I have divine toll.
If we last long enough, I get both of my cooldowns back. starting
got
with
this,
Yeah,
we
the-
got
we're
this,
good. We're good. We're good.
We're
We're
good,
good.
we're good.
It's gonna die in
job, guys.
like now.
Oh yeah.
You're good.
Let's
Good job.
There
We,
you go.
we had to talk, we had to
Finally.
talk about our healing shit. That's all it was.
It was a thinking issue.
Yep. 100%.
Oh, was
You know
it?
what? You guys don't even need me. I'll just fucking leave.
Hey, you're a leader.
I'll be like
We need
limit
you.
maximum, man. I'll
We-
just fucking I'll raid lead.
I think